SurferCloud London dedicated cloud server promotion. Compare 2C16C plans, pick the best fit. SurferCloud's London data center is running an exclusive promotion across multiple dedicated cloud server configurations. All plans include dedicated bandwidth, unlimited traffic, and renewal at the same promotional price, perfect for teams that want performance with predictable long-term costs. Below is a side-by-side summary and clear recommendations so you, or your readers, can pick the most suitable plan. Key highlights applies to all promotional plans. 24/7/365 expert support and gold tier architect service. 99.95% availability commitment. New generation machines with high-performance disks. Rapid deployment across 17+ global data centers. London node defaults to 40 GB system disk, expandable to 500 GB. VPC private network, data backup, multiple data protection, and upgrade without restarting. Port 25 blocked by default, data center IPs cannot be replaced. Default system usernames, Windows, Administrator, CentOS/Debian/Red Hat, root, Ubuntu. Promotional rule, zone/config changes not supported, each plan limited to 2 servers per customer. Promotional plans, London, all prices/month, renewal equals same price. Quick selection guide, which plan suits which scenario? Lightweight/cost sensitive. 2C2G, 5 to 15 megabits per second, best for small blogs, brochure websites, low-traffic business sites, and simple staging environments. Ultra cost-effective for predictable, low concurrency workloads. Small production/dev test. 2C4G, 10 to 20 megabits per second, good for small e-commerce stores, micro SaaS, development/staging servers where occasional bursts and a bit more memory matter. Growing businesses/multi-site hosting. For C8G, 15 to 30 megabits per second, suitable for medium traffic e-commerce, multiple WordPress sites, agency hosting, or small databases requiring more CPU and RAM headroom. Performance streaming/medium enterprise. 8C16G, 20 to 40 megabits per second, ideal for video streaming endpoints, mid-size SaaS platforms, containerized workloads, and users requiring consistent throughput under load. Enterprise/high concurrency/big data. 16C32G, 30 to 50 megabits per second, built for high traffic production, large databases, analytics, real-time applications, heavy virtualization, or serving as CDN/origin nodes. How to choose, practical checklist. Estimate concurrent users/requests, if hundreds concurrently, prefer 8C+ or 16C. Traffic pattern, bursty media traffic, higher dedicated bandwidth, 30 to 50 megabits per second. Memory dependency, memory-heavy apps, caches, databases, need 8G+ and preferably 16G per 32G. Scaling plan, choose a plan that gives cushion, e.g., pick next tier if you expect growth in 3 to 6 months. Budget predictability, use the renewal locked price to plan multi-year costs without surprise increases. Example recommendations, concrete pairings. Personal blog/brochure site 2C2G, 5 megabits per second. Small eShop with moderate traffic 2C4G, 15 to 20 megabits per second. Agency hosting multiple client sites 4C8G, 20 to 30 megabits per second. Streaming small channels/medium SaaS 8C16G, 30 to 40 megabits per second. Large enterprise, analytics, or origin for CDN 16C32G, 40 to 50 megabits per second. Important promotional rules, tech reminders. Default system disk for London, 40 GB, expandable to 500 GB. Additional data disks available for purchase. Zone/configuration changes not supported under the promo, deleting resources mid-term leads to refund calculated at list price. Each plan limited to 2 servers per customer, for bulk/long-term discounts, contact your dedicated account manager. Data center IPs provided are not replaceable. Port 25 is blocked by default.